1 second. All right, Hotep. I'm an Osiris here with Terry Parks, and we're here to discuss child support knowledge, Title 14. Okay? So, Mr. Parks, you are accusing the Amen Osiris, the God of law, of being a fraud. Is that correct?
Yes, that's why I'm here.
All righty. Well, here's where we're at. All right, a fraud is the crime of deceit. So that being said, I'll give you the floor, and we're here to discuss child support. Can you see my screen?
No, I can't see nothing. I'm on my phone. Hold on.
All right, yes, it may lag a little bit, but wait for it to pop up.
Hold on, let me see. Hold on. I'm trying to see if it pop up.
Okay, hold on. All right, there it is. All right, it should pop up.
All right, hold on. Let me see.
Now, just so you're aware, on your phone, it's going to be a little bit slower. You got a law here. www.7.com. It's going to lag a little bit.
Okay, hold on. Let me see.
In the United States, it is.
I'm trying to go to you now. I can't.
Say again.
I don't see anything to say live from you.
Yeah. Are you on Android or iPhone?
I'm on Android.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should be picking it up. You don't have access to a computer?
Yeah, I do, but I got take it out the box and plug it up and everything. So I'm just right here on my phone.
All right, yeah. But this is based off of, you really want to be able to see, what we have up on the screen here.
All right, so hold on. Give me 1 second. Hold on, let me plug it up real quick.
No problem.
I'm just waiting for it to boot up.
Say what?
I'm just waiting for my computer to boot up now.
All right, no worries.
I said it did that from the beginning, but I thought you said I can use my phone, so I was like, ain't no point in plugging it up.
Yeah, I thought that most cases, most folks do, but like I said, I don't know today, it's technical difficulties.
All right. So are you still on,
You know what you can do once you log onto your computer?
Hold on. Let me ask you a question. So, you want me to go back into the meeting that we was on, that we was in, not on YouTube Live, because you're not doing it live.
Well, yeah, you're in the meeting now. The YouTube Live is not working. I can't get it to come up the stream. So, like I said, that was my fault. My bad, because I never did it before. So I assumed, you just click on the button and it would do whatever. I didn't know I had to download all these encoders and shit. And then my IT guys, what happened was it kind of got into the system and did something it wasn't supposed to do. So he's working on that. But yeah, I'll figure it out later.
Okay.
I'll take responsibility for that.
Well, hold on. I could probably get back on from my phone. What I was doing, I was trying to find you on YouTube Live to see if I can see it. But let me go back into the meeting.
No, because it kept coming up and saying, error 503 or whatever it was. So like I said, he's working on it now. I'll try to get it down for another time.
All right. Yeah, I can see you now. You got the federal manual child support on there.
There you go. Are you on a computer or you on a computer or your phone?
I'm on my phone.
Okay, all right. Like I said, it's going to lag a little bit, so just for some reason Androids do pop up. All right, so 1 second, and obviously you want to feel free to record. There'll be no editing here. It'll just be me and you. All right. So that being said, All right, we have here Section 8 of the Child Support Enforcement Manual, which is the heart of child support. Do you know anything about this information here?
Look, the whole point. Now, we're gonna be on one accord. We're gonna do this like a court setting, okay? You can be the plaintiff.
All right. So, what topic of Title 4D would you like to discuss?
No, we're not. We're going to debate. You called me for one reason, and that was to debate the fact.
I didn't call you to debate you. I'm not arguing with you.
Okay.
What I specifically said when I emailed you was we're going to be discussing Title 4D skills.
Are you going to let me talk?
All right. The only thing is you're doing is you're bringing your skills to the table. I'm bringing mine.
Are you going to let me?
All right. That's what we're here for. So, because if I'm a fraud, then I wouldn't know anything about child support.
Exactly. So let me understand. Let me get some understanding. Stop trying to overtalk me. See, we're gonna need a mediator between us because you're not gonna let me talk. You're just trying to overtalk me. My whole thing is this. We are on here, as you stated earlier, because I called you a fraud. So that's the whole reason why we're on here. Am I correct?
According to you, yes.
All right. So now I'm going to just tell the people why I called you a fraud. That's it. I'm not here to debate you on Title 42 or the 4D, because I already know that you can regurgitate the law. It's a difference from regurgitating the law, Osiris, and proving that you actually defeated it. So I'm asking you to prove that you defeated it. And if you can't provide that proof, then you are now the fraud. That's it. That's all.
Okay, well, here's the catch. I'm not obligated to prove anything to you.
But you are
accusing me of being a fraud. Allow me to speak. I don't want to overtalk you. All right, so that the burden of proving that I'm a fraud rests on you. Okay?
And I'm about to prove that.
If I don't know anything about Title 4D, how can that make me a fraud? If I'm putting out proper information, how is that fraudulent? I'm
going to prove that you are a fraud for the simple fact of the matter is because you stated the claim that you got your case dismissed. So I asked you, by you, since you're the one who stated the claim, the burden of proof resides on him who stated the claim. You stated the claim and you said you got your case dismissed. So I said, okay, Osiris, if you're not a fraud, then provide proof of your claim. If you cannot provide proof of claim, then you became an acquiescence. And now that you are in acquiescence, you are in agreement with me. So that means that you even agree that you are the fraud because you haven't provided proof of your case being dismissed. That's all I'm saying.
Okay, acquiescence, so people can understand, acquiescence is silent agreement. Is that true or false?
Yes, so you are in silent agreement because you never responded back.
How am I silently agreeing with you?
Because you never showed proof of your claim.
And what requires me to show you any proof?
Because you made the claim.
Did I make the claim to you?
You made the claim to me. Yes, it's on the record. I posted it up. You made the claim.
Hello?
Yeah, you made the claim.
Hello?
You can hear me. Hello? Now you can't hear me. Hello?
Hello?
Oh, now you can't hear me now, huh? You gonna play that game? Hello?
Yeah, was that you or me?
Nah, that was you. I can hear you.
Yeah, my phone's sitting on the desk here. So, all right, you ready?
Yeah, so...
All right, I'm gonna restart. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. We had the technical difficulties. All right, now, Mr. Parks, you were saying?
What I was saying was, once you stated your claim, and I asked you to provide proof of your claim, since the burden of proof rests on him who asserts, right? We know that. That's to be true. So you asserted out of your own mouth that you got your case dismissed. So because you said that, I asked you to provide proof of your claim. And if you can't provide proof of your claim, then you are now the fraud. And since you have not, as of today, still have not provided proof of your claim, Osiris, then you are now the fraud. That's it. That's all. And you are in agreement with me because you are in acquiescence. Acquiescence is silent agreement. You know it, and I know it. If you're not the fraud, Osiris, just provide the proof, man. And that will shut us all up. That's it. That will definitely shut me up. And I will apologize to you right now.
Oh, no apologies necessary. And I definitely have the proof, but I'm not obligated to show it. All right, here's the catch. What we're going to be discussing here is Title 4D knowledge and skills.
Bruh,
okay, so if I'm fraud, there's no possible way that I could have full, complete knowledge of Title 4D skills. Do you have any knowledge of Title 4D?
Bruh, if I got my case dismissed, you know I have knowledge. But do you really have knowledge?
Okay, so you got your case dismissed. Congratulations. And how did you get that case dismissed?
That's the whole point of you want to have this conversation. Because you want to know. You want to know my method.
If you recall, I said we'll be talking about Title 4D skills.
You want to know? I just gave you my method. Oh, I just gave you how I got my. I'm using you. I showed you on my last video, and I put you in the video. Now, exactly what I did to you is what I did to them. That's how I got my case dismissed. Osiris.
Okay, what exactly are you claiming to be doing to me?
I'm providing proof that you was the fraud.
Okay, but you're claiming that I'm a fraud because I am not cooperating with your request.
Don't you become an acquiescence and child support deduct from your payments when you don't reply to their request? Because you are in agreement with them, because you don't respond back.
I'm sorry, my apologies. I didn't hear you. Say that again.
Because when you don't respond back to any claim, then you are now in agreement with it. Plain and simple. There's no way you can't dance around this situation, Ahmed Osiris.
Just put up. Ahmed Osiris is not dancing around the situation.
So put up the proof then.
You're claiming that I am a fraud. Fraud is a crime. What crime did I commit?
You committed plenty of crimes. Like for instance, you came on here and you stated out of your own mouth that your paperwork didn't work for me. It was rejected. And you know.
Okay, well, please. Fast. There's plenty of paperwork that gets rejected. Now, did you bring that paperwork back to me and give for time of leave so we could amend any complaint that the court said was that they accused of being invalid?
Yes, I do. Yes, I did. I responded back to you in an email telling you that they was rejecting it, that they rejected it, and then you told me to appeal it, so I appealed it, and that's it. And then they rejected it in the appeals court, in the appellate court. And that was
and the basis of that rejection was what?
They said that your paperwork didn't state a claim with
they clearly stated that so they said that the failure to state a claim upon which relief can be granted. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did they list the Rome doctrine in that document that you're claiming?
It's not about all of that. The whole thing is about that your paperwork did not go through. That's it. That's all.
Okay, that's fine. Did you send me a copy of the documentation that you had when they gave you a leave to amend?
Yes, I did. I sent it to you. That's it. And I even asked you to help me reply to it.
Okay. All right.
And then you hit me with this. You hit me with this, Ahmed Osiris. You're going to be out the office for a week. Then next thing you know, I never heard back from you, bruh.
Okay. Well, I do travel a lot, but that's fine.
Yeah.
All right, so you took and you appealed it and they denied it. Is that correct?
Yes, they denied it in state court. They denied it in First they rejected me in family court with it. Then I appealed it to the district court. They denied it. I lost in district court with your paperwork. And then after I lost in district court with your paperwork, you said you said I might be forced to sue them. I said, okay, cool. So I went in and I paid the $400+ to sue them. I didn't even have a chance to get an oral argument. They kicked the paperwork right out immediately. And then I appealed that, and they kicked it out again immediately. All for the same reasons. So that's what I'm saying. I stated the claim, and I gave relief to the people for the claim. And my claim was this, that you was the fraud. But I only came up with my claim because your claim previously, that you got your case dismissed. So because you couldn't provide proof of that claim, Ahmed Osiris, and you still can't provide proof of the claim, then guess what? You in agreement with me that you are that fraud. That's all I'm saying.
I would disagree that I'm in agreement with you.
Silence is acquiescence, bruh, and acquiescence is silence agreement.
All right, listen, Parks. We're not impressed with the big giant words. All right, so let's look at it like this. You are aware that child support, the Title 4D agency, and this is a Virginia case. Is that correct?
Bruh, this is why you lose.
It was the case in Virginia?
Bruh, this is why we losing, bruh. This is why we losing. This is why people losing it.
I'm asking you,
bruh,
listen. Your case was in Virginia, correct?
Listen, I said we're going to settle this in a court manner, right? A court manner. That means to stick to the topic. The topic is this. You got to provide proof of your claim.
Your case was in Virginia. That's all I'm asking you. It was a case in Virginia, correct?
Yeah, it was in Virginia.
Okay. Now, accordingly, Virginia makes about $4.8 billion a year in federal funding. Would you agree or disagree with that?
So are you going to try to blame Virginia for them rejecting it? Because remember, I won regardless in Virginia. In Virginia. I won regardless in Virginia.
That's all I asked you. Now, according to Virginia's website, Virginia pulls in $4.3 million a year in federal funding, which profits and goes to their, and goes to their state treasury. Is that true or false?
It's true, but that's in every state. That's just not Virginia. That's not Virginia. That's in every state. Every state has the same thing. Every state follows the same laws. All of them. They all underneath the federal Title 42. They all gonna have the same stuff. It's nothing different. If you can beat one, you can beat all.
Okay, thank you. Now, that being said, all right, now, that federal funding, if they release a case, they lose federal funding, and that demotes their quota of 90%, does it not?
I'm an Osiris. What do this have to do with you? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Are you serious?
Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? What happened?
I'm on speaker. I'm hands-free right now. I'm talking to you. The phone is leaning by the speaker or the what's his name on the computer. So
yeah, I'm on speaker too.
I don't know why we're having disconnection problems this morning, but that's okay. Worst case, if it happens again, we'll just call back.
Yeah.
All right. Now, my question was, federal funding is everything to the state. Is that true or false?
It's everything to the state and to the federal.
All right. So you would agree that that's true?
What that got to do with you providing proof?
Okay, here's the catch. If federal funding is an issue, that means if the more cases that they dismiss, that means they lose federal funding. That federal funding goes into the state treasury, which pays all state employees' salaries and pensions. Is that true or false under 42 U.S.C. 658A?
I'm an Osiris. We're here to talk about you being a fraud.
We're not talking about me. We're talking about Title 4D skills and why that case got dismissed.
I'm not
talking. You're blaming me and saying that I was wrong, and I came directly from Title 4D. Is that true or false?
Bruh, this is not about Title 4D. You invited me.
Your case was a Title 4D case, was it not?
I'm an Osiris. Let's get to why you invited me here. You invited me here for this one reason.
I invited you here to test your Title 4D skills.
No, you did not. No, you did not, bruh. Bruh, I have you on record.
You're not the only one on the planet that got rejected.
Bruh,
it doesn't mean that we're wrong. It means that they're protecting their federal funding.
Bruh, it means that you're wrong, bruh. It means that you're wrong because they ain't protecting their federal funds that much because I just won. So that means that you're still wrong, bruh. Stop trying to dance around the question. Put up the proof, bruh. Plain and simple. If you can't put up the proof, it's over with, bruh.
You're asserting one thing, and guess what? I'm not really paying you any attention, so prove that I didn't.
I did, but you not.
You didn't prove anything.
Bruh, you the one stated the. I'm an Osiris. You the one who stated the claim that you did. And because you stated the claim, yes, I put it up on YouTube. All can hear. They just go to my station, go to my channel.
I saw that. That was an inaudible video. I mean, I don't know where that came from, which is fine.
It came from your class. I'm an Osiris.
I didn't get my case dismissed. I've gotten plenty of cases.
Okay, so show proof then. Put up your claim.
Okay, no problem.
Until then, you're gonna
on air here that you have no skills with Title 4D and you don't comprehend what's going on.
Obviously, I comprehend what's going on if I got my case dismissed, Armin Osiris.
What are you getting upset for? Relax, bro. Take a deep breath.
Because what you're trying to do is dodge the question. Stop trying to dodge the bullet.
I'm not dodging the question. I already explained to you that I'm not obligated to show anything to you.
All right, so it's like this.
That's not dodging the question.
It's like this.
We're talking about Title 4D skills.
It's like this. We're not going nowhere with this. You know, you can't provide your proof of your claim. So with that being said, you lost.
I'm just not going to.
Armin Osiris, it's over. Hey, look. Armin Osiris. It's over.
You keep saying my name.
Hey, y'all be blessed.
What my name is.
You too.
Here,
hey, I'm out.
Take a deep breath.
I'm out, bro. I ain't got nothing.
Skills.
I already talked about my skills. I showed my skills.
You didn't tell me anything about your skills.
Bruh, I
showed here on my screen everything that we need to know about Title 4D. All right, so which is what we gave you on the paperwork. So how could a judge deny the actual facts of Title 4D if only for the fact of federal funding?
Because you didn't state a claim upon which relief can be granted. That's why.
Okay, and what claim did we state for you that your rights were being violated? True or false?
No, that wasn't the claim. You over there argue. Look, child support is contract law. You over here trying to argue the Constitution when we talk about contracts. That's why we lose. That's why the people go into court and lose your paperwork. That's why you can't provide proof, Armin Osiris. Me keep going back and forth with you saying the same thing is pointless. Until you provide proof of your claim, then you are that fraud. So with that being said, I'm gone. All right, YouTube, man, y'all be blessed. I came to get my girl.
We got some time. Don't quit
man,
now,
it's no quit. I got you the facts. The fact is
you
that
haven't gotten to any facts. You're making an accusation.
Bruh, the facts is this.
Proof upon which relief can be granted. You're doing the same thing.
Bruh, look, the facts is this. The facts is you provided a claim. You stated a claim that you got your case dismissed. Another fact is I asked you to provide proof of that claim. Another fact is you cannot provide proof of your claim because you never got your case dismissed. So that makes another fact of the matter is that you are fraud.
Case dismissed, or maybe I'm just being
I proved it because you. I proved it because you can't provide proof of your claim.
Okay,
and by,
so in essence, you haven't proved anything because
it's proven. It's proven, Ahmed Osiris. It's proven. Ahmed Osiris. You don't got to prove it to me. Prove it to the people that who follow you. Prove it to your clients. Don't prove it to me. Prove it to your clients. You don't got nothing to prove to me. I'm off. I don't need your services no more.
I don't have any clients. I'm not a lawyer. You're the one who's making a claim.
I don't need Ahmed Osiris. I don't need your services. You don't have to prove nothing to me, but prove to those who do come to disaster office.
If you said I don't have to prove anything to you, then why are you interested in me proving the claim?
For your services, for the people that you're helping out, make them a believer. You don't got to make me a believer.
Okay,
make them a believer.
You're the emissary for these people?
Yeah, I'm going to be. Obviously.
No, not going to be. Are you?
I am. Yes, I am.
Okay, and what people have ruled you emissary and voted you as emissary to speak for on their behalf?
No people can vote me for none. The Most High granted me this position. The Most High Yah. The Most High. The Most High Yah. The Most High Yah. Like as He sent Moses to finish the Egyptians, He sent me to finish you Egyptians. So with that being said, y'all be blessed. Shalom, YouTube. Nah, bro, I'm gone. Bro, I'm gone. It's over. I already finished you.
We're having an adult discussion here.
It's not a discussion because you're dodging.
Why are you getting frustrated and wanting to leave?
You're dodging the question, Ahmed Osiris. There's nothing else to talk about.
Anything. I'm only going off of what you said. You said,
show proof, Ahmed Osiris.
Prove anything, but you can't prove me wrong.
I proved you wrong by you not stating the claim, by you not providing proof of your claim.
Paperwork from some official court hearing or anything that proves me wrong.
You the one that got to provide the proof, Ahmed Osiris, because you stated the claim. You stated the claim, Ahmed Osiris. Stop acting stupid, bro. Stop acting stupid, bro. You provided the claim. You stated the claim. Now it's on you to provide that proof.
To who?
To everybody, because you stated the claim.
All right, but no, you're not everybody. You're just one. You're one small human being. Not everybody's.
Okay, provide it to people. Provide it to the people that buying your services, Ahmed Osiris. Provide it to them.
Okay, sure. I'll be more than happy.
Okay, put it for the whole world to see.
Anything else?
Put it for the whole world to see that you got your case dismissed. After that, if you do that, I'll come back on YouTube.
Anything on the world to see.
I'll come back on.
Privacy issue, isn't it?
No, it's not because you public records. Everything is public records, bro.
Public records. Public means government, bro. We're not government here.
Bro, the title 4D cases, bro. All court cases are public record, bro. I don't want to hear that. All court cases are public records.
Cases are public records.
Right. So put up your.
My case dismissed.
You said
have a public record that says that I did not.
I got you stating the claim. I got you stating the claim. Ahmed Osiris. I got you stating the claim that you said you got your case dismissed. So now because you stated the claim, provide proof of your claim.
From a court stating that I didn't.
All right, bro. You dancing around the question. Anybody that buy your services, they deserve to get fucked over. So with that being said, I'm gone. Shalom.
Chill out, man.